public service in the Republic of South Africa, which will ensure effective public administration and coherence across all the three spheres of government. The outbreak of novel coronavirus, or COVID-19, has been unfortunate, but has already yielded great results that are fostered by working together as government in delivering services to the people. Since the outbreak of coronavirus, government has been at the center, playing a pivotal role in ensuring that citizens are protected through its administrative operations as well as the services rendered by government. Several structures have been established in order to manage the spread of coronavirus, and a number of other initiatives have been embarked upon to ensure continued service delivery, even during this pandemic. Public servants in South Africa and in the continent at large have indeed heeded the call to ensure continued delivery of public services. And for this reason, we take this opportunity to thank them and implore them to continue giving this service to our communities. And at the same time, we want to salute those who have fallen while performing their duties, and we send our sympathies to the families throughout the country and throughout the continent. Of course, many countries in our continent have embarked on similar measures to stop the spread of coronavirus without compromising delivery of critical public services. It is therefore fitting that we celebrate this day to affirm the importance of quality service delivery to communities, even at such periods as we are experiencing currently. The response by government, in turn, by public servants, has led to preservation of livelihoods, where citizens have food to eat and are able to survive and move about with their daily chores. Furthermore, public servants have also given credence to public service and to government. The selfless efforts and dedication of all frontline officials, those in the health sector, members of the South African Police, members of South African National Defence Force, and others who continue to render goods and services to our citizens are indeed acknowledged and appreciated. And further appreciation is given to the cleaners, the administrative officials in all offices, and teachers, and all other professions and professionals who are in the front line of giving services. We all salute you for your tireless contributions in ensuring continued service delivery to the people in the Republic of South Africa. The concerns and calls for more support from government in the containment and management of COVID-19 pandemic by public servants have been heard, and we are addressing these concerns as various departments on a daily basis. It is all with firm commitment that we are trying to do everything in our power to provide maximum support to our public servants as they execute their duties. As we continue to dutifully serve the public, we encourage public servants to perform their duties with integrity, with professionalism, and in an ethical manner. One of the challenges which will have an impact on public administration, a positive one at that, and on the delivery of public service itself, is the Fourth Industrial Revolution. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is perhaps one of the greatest transformations human civilization has ever known. This Industrial Revolution is transforming nearly every human activity, the way we produce goods, the way we deliver services, the way we communicate and interact with each other as humans, the way we learn, the way we work, the way we govern, and the way we do business. Its scope and speed and rich are unprecedented, and Africa must not be left behind. And it is for this reason that we have to embrace 4IR and do everything to ensure we are not left behind as countries in our continent. It is generally agreed across the African continent that good governance is the cornerstone in all our efforts to build and sustain a peaceful coexistence among communities. One of the key factors essential for good governance is a corrupt-free public administration and public service. The fight against corruption is an ongoing task which will ultimately result in government that is accountable to the people and one that highly adheres to ethical principles. This can only be attained if we all work together. Batupile value statements becomes a source of inspiration as we affirm that indeed, as public service, we belong to our people in the country, we care for all the citizens of this country, and we serve all the people of this country. Now, more than ever, this value statement rings very true. Thank you very much.